Well, it is certainly warm outside and we are dealing with plenty of clouds. We're not going to see much sunshine today, so expect overcast and mostly cloudy skies as we go through the remainder of your afternoon. It's 80 degrees and it feels like the mid 80s because the dew points are in the lower 70s, so it feels humid as well. We have winds out of the south at 16 miles per hour, so we are dealing with an onshore flow, so that's going to continue to drive up the humidity as we go through today. Here's a look at your current temperatures. North of Lake Pontchartrain, 75 in Covington, 82 in Hammond, 83 in Bogalusa, south of the lake, 79 in Belle Chase, 80 in Galliano, and 84 degrees in Gonzales. So our winds are out of the south for everybody. We're getting wind readings of 17 miles per hour in Belle Chase with stronger wind gusts of 26 miles per hour, stretching out to Hammond, 14 miles per hour and wind gust of 20, and then even out in Thibodaux getting wind gust of 16 miles per hour. So for today, it is going to remain breezy. Again, those southerly winds will get wind gusts up to 23, 22 miles per hour as we go through the rest of the afternoon, and staying breezy as we go through tonight if you have any plans. So the dew point temperatures are in the 70s and upper 60s. That's why it feels so humid out there. And anytime we're talking about dew points, here's a look at the dew point scale just to give you an idea. It just feels oppressive when we see our dew point temperatures in the 70s. So unfortunately, it is going to remain humid as we go through the rest of the week heading into the weekend, and we're going to have a weak frontal boundary slide through our area or get very close, and that is going to bring drier air to our area. Unfortunately, not cooler air, but it will definitely break the humidity as we head into next week. So as we take a look at the satellite and radar, we're continuing to see clouds stream in from the southwest and remaining cloudy as we go through the rest of the day. May see a few breaks here and there on the north shore, but again, not a whole lot of sunshine in our forecast as we go through today. So the water vapor imagery, I do want to show you this just to show you the flow of the atmosphere. We do have a ridge of high pressure. That's why our temperatures are so warm. And then out to our north and northwest, we have a trough. You could see that dip right there. So the location here, our forecast area situated between these two weather systems, that's why we're dealing with windy conditions or breezy conditions, and the winds will stick around as we go through tonight. So here's a look at your hour by hour forecast. Temperatures climbing into the lower to mid 80s. We're still in the upper 70s closer to sunset and staying in the lower 70s, upper 60s as we go through the overnight hours. So here's a look at the monthly average high temperatures. We are here, upper 60s, but it is going to feel like spring, feeling like May as we go through today and also through the rest of the week. And then normally, again, we're supposed to be in the upper 60s. My forecast high, 84 degrees. I do think we will break a record set back in 2019. And then look at this. We remain in the 80s as we go through the rest of the weekend, heading into our Monday. So we'll be close to record breaking as we go through the next several days. And even our overnight temperatures remaining mild, upper 60s, lower 70s. So it is going to be a very warm start as we kick off our Friday morning. So taking you through the rest of today, plenty of clouds, and we have a small chance for an isolated shower, sprinkle, but many of us remaining dry. But one thing that I'm very concerned about, once again, the fog potential as we go through tonight. Many of us will be down to a half of a mile. So again, it could be pretty tricky for that morning commute tomorrow. So just plan ahead. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Temperatures climbing into the mid 80s today. Very warm. I do think